Greetings guys, I welcome you in this wonderful video. So we are going to be talking about the technical analysis or the price action of gold. So here I'm on my 4-hour. I'm just gonna start on my higher time frame. So I'm on my 4-hour here. We have something very significant or something very visual. We can say that here the market has been moving in some kind of an uptrend. So you can see that this uptrend is forming like a channel, but the very beautiful thing is what is happening at the moment, because when you are a trader and when you analyze the market, you shouldn't pay much attention to what happened in the past. Although we used the past to kind of predict like the present, but your main focus should be on what is happening at the most relevant price, which is just the few previous highs or the few previous waves. So we can see here that we have very interesting stuff. We have a high here, and also we have another high just below that one. So if you can see this high, you're seeing that they are forming like lower highs. The highs, they're becoming lower and lower, meaning here you can see that it means that the buyers, they tried to make a move here and they failed. So looking at this move, this was the buyers move. They tried to make another impulsive move, but unfortunately it failed here, which means that this failure, it means that the sellers, they are now getting strong, because you can see that we have a breakout of this trend line here. But basically this breakout doesn't mean that you should be looking at this market as a selling opportunity. A selling opportunity is still gonna be confirmed after we receive maybe another high. Because okay, as we can see, the reason I'm saying that we need another high, it is because what we can see here, although we can see as if the market is forming a low, but we cannot be sure that the market is forming a low, because the market can still just proceed and go down from here, without even going all the way up there. So we should make sure that we get that high. So what should we observe, or what should we look for as traders? Let me go to my 1 hour. So looking in my 1 hour, you can see that we have now a little bit of a clear move. Why? Because we have a previous pattern here. If I can just draw it, or I can highlight it here, there is that structure. So you can see that this zone was tested multiple times in the past. It acted as a support, and we are now expecting that same level to act as a resistance. We're expecting our retest to take place in this zone, meaning at least now as traders we have something to pay attention into. So this is the level, but on the 4 hour we couldn't like identify it, although we could see the low, but it wasn't the second touch wasn't that visible. So now we can see that it was tested multiple times, so it is likely that it's gonna act as a resistance here. And even if you can pay attention into these candles, you can see that there's already a decrease in terms of strength. If I can just take it a little bit down, you can see that already we have a slow down here towards that level. So our expectation, it is that price is gonna like try to bounce in that level and go all the way down. So that's it guys for this analysis. Thank you for watching this video.